What is up, guys? The Retro Gamer here, back with another video. And recently I've been watching videos about capacitor banks and how they can seriously explode crap, So I just want to do some experimenting with household parts being ripped apart, like computers and whatever, and then taking those capacitors and soldering them together. And just as long as they have the same voltage, really, at least nothing lower than minimum voltage, they should be good to use. So I think I'm just gonna put these in parallel, or in series. I'm sorry. No, parallel. I am right the first time. I'm gonna put these in parallel, and we're gonna see what happens when. And I don't think much will happen, but this is 6.3 volt, 3,300 microfarads. Let's see what happens. So guys, as you can see, I just took a piece of, this is actually welding wire, but basically copper wire, and I started soldering these capacitors, negative to negative, positive to positive, and I'll make a huge line with all those, these, those, and we'll see what happens. I'll update you in a little bit. Okay, so this is what I came out with. Pretty good solder joints. They are breaking though, so I really got to be careful with this. It's got some mass to it. I don't think this is going to do much of anything, but we're going to hook it up to 6 volts. I don't think I need current resistors or current limiting MOSFETs or transistors on here. So I'm just gonna plug this in. I'm gonna find a wall adapter and cut it open. Okay, so upon going through a box of old cords, I found this one to be, if I can get it to focus at all. Okay, well, it's not going to focus, but it's 5.25 volts, and then it's 2,400 milliamps, so we'll see if that kills my stuff, and it should be DC, I think. Yeah, okay, let's see. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is with your micro USB, you're just going to cut it. Okay, and you'll be left with this. I like to use these wire strippers, and I could just put the whole cable in here and just go like that, and that'll slide right off. Then I can take these and just do that, and they're very nice. So as my house nearly burns down over there with the soldering iron. Okay, so I'm just going to twist these up, wrap the negative around the negative, or this will explode, and I'll solder the positive to the positive, and we'll do that and come right back. Okay, this is probably the stupidest thing I've ever done, but, so I'm going to plug this in here, and I need a screw, so hold on one second. Okay, I got a screw. I'm going to plug this in, and just touch these two together, and we'll see if it's loud. In fact, I should probably get ear protection. For real, guys, these capacitors can explode. And I don't know if they're going to. I don't even know what the heck I'm doing. So just in case, eye protection and hearing protection, it could be loud. So yeah, let's get this started. So I'm plugging it in now, and I'm turning on the power. Okay, nothing has exploded, and we're just going to short these two. Okay, nothing's happening. Guys, what did I literally say to do? Negative to negative, positive to positive. I'm surprised nothing exploded. Okay, everything appears to be soldered correctly now. I need this. And let's turn it on and see if something blows up. Nothing is blown up. Ooh. So it is making some very impressive sparks. Okay, Let's see how much this stores. Ooh, quite a bit actually. Well, I'm afraid to touch it now. Okay. So that was actually pretty cool. I'm going to plug it in again. And we'll test it out. So let it charge up a little bit. And touch. Let it charge up a little bit. Touch. And up a little bit. And it just slowly gets more better discharge. So we'll let it charge up. Ooh, I think I like welded myself to it there. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we added a couple more, probably about 6 or 7 more. We're going to try and hold this up using a little stand on the negative so it doesn't, hold on. Okay, so now we're going to plug it in. It's charging. And pause. Alright, so here we go again. Hopefully it'll stay propped up this time. And they're charging here. I hope you can see. It like spot welds it. Oh, that was a big one. That was a big one. So, guys, so it's unplugged now, and we're just gonna see if it can still hurt you a lot. And yeah, that would hurt. I think it's completely discharged now. Let's hope so. Yeah, we're good. So guys, I'm going to try and find a actual 6.3 volt power supply really quick and see if we can't make this a little bit more powerful.